Chery Automobiles recently added a new 400TGDI DCT Luxury model to its compact sedan, the Arrizo 8 Pro. The official starting price is 147,900 yuan, but it is offered at 132,900 yuan during a limited-time campaign. As a new model, the main improvement is the engine replacement with a more powerful 2.0T engine, increasing the maximum power from 187 kilowatts to 192 kilowatts. The length has also been increased from 4,800 mm to 4,812 mm, and it features a racing red interior color scheme. Other configurations remain largely the same as the existing 390TGDI DCT Luxury model. In terms of appearance, it continues the design of the existing 390TGDI model. It has a very sporty overall style and is equipped with a racing sports package. The front of the new car features an obsidian grille with a hexagonal star ring and a smoked honeycomb mesh on the inside. The side adopts a fastback shape and is fitted with 18-inch racing-type 5-wheel wheels and traditional mechanical door handles. At the rear, there is a dual exhaust system with 4 outlets on each side and an internally integrated taillight arrangement with a rear spoiler. In terms of dimensions, the length, width and height are 4812/1843/1469 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,790 mm. Compared to the current model, the length has increased by 12 mm, while the other dimensions remain the same. The overall drag coefficient is 0.275 CD. In terms of interior design, it continues the design of the current model, equipped with a 15.6-inch 2.5K central control screen and a 10.25-inch full LCD instrument panel, a 3-spoke flat-bottomed multifunctional steering wheel, and an electronic gear shifter. At the same time, a unique racing red color scheme is used in the interior of the new car, further emphasizing its sporty atmosphere. In terms of the intelligent cockpit, the new vehicle is equipped with the Lion Intelligent Vehicle System with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip, supporting 4G networks, dual-zone intelligent voice interaction, remote control via mobile app, CarPlay/Huawei HiCar/CarLink smartphone connectivity, OTA updates, and other functions. Furthermore, the Level 2 assisted driving system, which includes 5 cameras and 6 ultrasonic radars, supports full-speed adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, lane centering assist, and other functions. In terms of configuration, it is equipped with 6 airbags, 360-degree panoramic view, adaptive LED headlights, an opening panoramic sunroof, multi-layer soundproof glass in the front row, heated front seats, a ventilated driver's seat, an 8-speaker Sony sound system, multicolor ambient lighting, air conditioning vents, and other features. In terms of power, the new car is equipped with a 2.0T engine producing a maximum power of 192 kilowatts and a peak torque of 400 Nm. The transmission system is paired with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch gearbox, and the top speed can reach 215 km per hour. Combined fuel consumption is 6.8 liters. The chassis adopts a McPherson-type suspension system at the front and a multi-link independent suspension system at the rear. Considering the current market situation, the main competitors of the Chery Arrizo 8 Pro include the Volkswagen Sagitar, Nissan Sylphy, Geely Xingrui, and Toyota Corolla.